Hello guys, I welcome you to Heartfelt Solution, where we give heartfelt weekly forex analysis on the forex triads: VSY, Euro USD, and GBP USD only. I have come to understanding for the past 5 years of my trading career in forex that the basic challenge of the average traders in forex, and the newbies inclusive, is the ability to be able to know the bias or anticipate the bias of the market. People are still struggling today about knowing where the price is heading to or where the price is coming from. And this is a big problem for a lot of traders in forex market. And this is just all that this channel is all about. Heartfelt Solution channel is just to give you just one single setup, telling you the bias of the market, trying to find out just one single setup that you can trade with confidence that should give you at least a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Just one trade or two. So even if your stop loss is hit, which is inevitable, you can still be confident enough to look for another entry that should give you your target. So all you need to do is to be patient. Stay with me. That towards the end of this video, I'll be able to tell you what to look out for and how to anticipate what you have to look out for. All you've got to do is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it to as many as possible you think you can be of help to. Let's grow by growing people. The best way to grow in life is to grow people. And one of the best ways to be part of it is to spread this good news to others. Let them come and just take one single setup. Now imagine you taking one risk to reward ratio, your risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 every week. In the next 6 weeks, I tell you, irrespective of the prop firm you are into, any of the challenge on prop firm can be surmounted with ease if you are disciplined enough to follow the instructions I'll be giving to you in this video. If you are joining for the first time, I welcome you specially. Let's hop into the chart and see what the week holds for us. I'm starting from the monthly time frame. The reason being that this is the first week, and this analysis is just for the 1st of July through to 5th of July. And by weekend, Saturday, I should be able to give you a review of how the price for the week played out. Then on Sunday next week, I give you another analysis of what you have to expect in the next other week. So I'm starting from the monthly time frame because we are in the first week of the first month of the third quarter of 2024. All right, 2024. So that is why I'm starting from the monthly time frame. As you can see here, DSY in the first from the down part here closed bullish. So we are still bullish on the monthly time frame on DSY. Then on Euro USD, all right, we are bearish on Euro USD. On GBP USD, we are also bearish because of how the candles closed. So let's see what happens on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time on the weekly time frame, look at the draw on the liquidity, which I've already marked here. Right, this we have a relative equal high, DSY relative equal high. All right, we also have a volume imbalance as the ICT have we always say volume imbalance. All right, the high here, and finally the draw on the liquidity above. That is for DSY. Then on Euro USD, what are we seeing here? Euro USD this is the volume imbalance as I told you on DSY. All right, so price can also react into that place, and we also have a relative equal low, right? Relative equal low before the final draw on liquidity, before the final draw on liquidity here. All right, so these are the areas that is very sensitive. The PDR rates that really one has to pay attention to on DSY and Euro USD. Right, same thing on GBP USD. Right, GBP USD, there is a draw on liquidity here. Right, this is swing high here, reacting off up to rejection block here, reacting off the rejection block here. So price can also might get there or might not before this draw on liquidity here. So these are just the overview of the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. Then on daily time frame, look at DSY. On daily time frame, you can see the draws on liquidity on DSY, right? It's a relative equal high on DSY, and this is also an FVG here and the low. All right, relative equal low slash the FVG. So price can also come below and push up, or come above, go above, and take off the liquid equal high and drop, vice versa. All right, this is it. And also the draw on liquidity slash the swing high or relative equal high I told you of from the weekly type perspective is what we have here, which is a strong area that price will also likely hit on DSY. All right, then on Euro USD, daily time frame. All right, the area we marked on weekly time frame is this volume imbalance. All right, and this volume imbalance, you can see on this volume imbalance, you can see that before the volume imbalance, we have a lot of liquidities here on top. There are a lot of liquidities, trend line phantom here. All right, on the high here, and we also have relative equal low. All right, though there is a week of these lows here, so they are still relative. The price can still come down to grab the liquidity here. So price can likely come below, take off the liquidity here below, and push forward to take off the previous week high, thereby grabbing liquidity on this trend line phantom, or might likely also go into the volume imbalance before dropping fully. All right, that the fact that the monthly is bearish on Euro US does not mean that the first week is going to start pulling down easily like that. No, it is possible anyway, but we're just trying to anticipate what price is likely to be doing. But don't forget, it is the first week, which is accumulation most of the time. So anything can happen. But irrespective of what might happen, we are in for all of that, just to target something for the week. So now, what are we expecting or anticipating for this week from Heartfelt Solution Weekly Analysis? What are we anticipating? Now on Euro USD and GBP USD quickly, we are anticipating a bullish move that should give us our target, a bullish move for this first week. It might happen on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or even on Thursday. All right, but we are looking out, we are hunting for a bullish move to give us our target. What do you look out to get this bullish move? Number one, take note. Number one, we are going to anticipate the power of three. Price should be able to go in for what we call the open, the low, the high, and the close. All right, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Remember that. If you don't know yet, please, you can Google it or go and search for it in the YouTube. You will also see a lot of information as regarding that. So what are you anticipate from Monday, the moment price takes the low of Asian, either on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, the moment price takes off the low of the Asian section through London to New York, what do? You anticipate price to create an order block. So the first thing, price should take off the Asian low, number one. Second thing, you can look out for either SMT or an order block. All right, an order block is the most important, right, after the SMT. So look out for order block, look out for SMT, and the third thing you need to do is for you to wait for price to trade back into the order block, and you take your trade. Often a time from my experience, you will observe that EU might trade back into it, GU might not. The moment price takes off the low of Asia, either on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, price should create an order block. Sometimes this order block is ushered in by an SMT between Euro USD DSY or Euro USD GBP USD. All right. So when the order block is created, what do? Wait for price to trade into it. When price close above the order block, all right, wait for price to trade into the order block. You take your entry. Your stop loss should be below the order block. If you have problem with spread, make sure you give like 1 pip or 2 pips below the order block. What is your target? Your target should be the previous day high. You get that now? The previous day high. So if the setup comes up on Monday, your Friday, previous day high becomes your Friday, last week Friday. Okay. But if the setup comes up on Tuesday, Monday becomes your previous day high. If it happens on Monday and did not take off the previous day high, automatically on Tuesday, the Monday becomes your previous day high. That is your target. Once your target is hit, collapse your trade and you are done for the week. How does it sound? If you are patient and you put this into test, in the next 6 weeks, irrespective of the prop firm you are into, I tell you, you'll be able to pass them with ease. If only you can be patient. Take this instruction as given to you. If you are still confused, go back, replay this, drop your questions, and whatever thing we can do to be of help to you, we'll gladly do it. All you need to do, subscribe to the channel, like this channel, and share it to as many as possible. Let's grow by growing people. I wish you the best of luck for this week. I wish you a successful trading week. All right, bye for now. See you weekend. God bless you.